eating are beginning to blur the line between wild and domesticated once again. Although the pigs here are being fed, there's no one directly responsible for their well-being. If left unchecked, feral pig populations grow rapidly. One sow can birth over 20 piglets annually. The number of feral pigs in the United States has tripled in the last 25 years, from 2 million to 6 million pigs. An island like this one could quickly become overrun, devastating the local flora and fauna. In the past, population control for swine meant the slaughterhouse. Nobody seems keen to take these little piggies to market.